Karun's palace glitters under the sun, a testament to unimaginable wealth. Chests overflow with jewels. Palaces pierce the sky. A kingdom built on gold. Karun surveys his domain, a self-satisfied smirk playing on his lips. The air is thick with opulence, yet a spiritual emptiness pervades. Faces reflect awe and envy as they gaze upon Karun's hollow kingdom. Karun sits on his throne, radiating pride. His robes glitter with jewels, reflecting arrogance. Advisors flank the throne, their faces a mix of awe and apprehension. In Karun's opulent court, a figure approaches. His calm demeanor, a stark contrast to Karun's ostentatious display. The figure speaks with concern. Karun, wealth is a test from Allah. Be grateful and humble. Karun scoffs. My wealth is solely due to my own knowledge. I owe nothing to anyone. Under the scorching desert sun, Karun parades, his treasures ablaze, igniting envy with his ostentatious wealth. A low rumble pierces the triumphant air, a stark prelude to the earth's violent upheaval. Fissures erupt across the parched land, spiderwebbing towards the stunned onlookers. The light dims, casting long, ominous shadows that amplify the growing dread. An unspoken terror grips the air, heavy with the weight of impending doom. The desert splits open, a dark abyss swallowing the horizon as the ground trembles. With a deafening rumble, Karun and his treasures vanish into the earth's gaping maw. Silence descends as the sand settles, the landscape returning to its desolate calm. Ethereal light paints the scene, casting long, dancing shadows across the barren land. A sweeping view reveals the stark emptiness, a testament to fortune lost in arrogance. Arrogance leads to destruction. A voice echoes, true success lies in humility.